To access a Videatives video, like you see the 3 videos here, or in any other class when it's a Videatives video clip, you see the assignment or the link in Blackboard, but you don't click the link yet. Open a new tab. Go to Allen's website, www.allencc.edu. Then you click on Menu, Student Life, Library. Click on Library. And once you are to the library, you will scroll down to Database Access. Click on it. You will then click on Videatives under the database list. You will put in your username and your password. This is the same as your student ID and your password for Blackboard and the student portal. Click Login. You are now in the Videatives database. Leaving the tabs open, go back to the course. Click on the link and you will be taken directly to the video.